What are those? Are they tiny alien pods or a forest miracle? Well, on my walk into work, it was raining, so the trees are covered in moss. So let's look at the moss under the microscope. On the screen, you have that tan brownish elongated structure. This is a sporophyte or capsule where the moss stores its future generation. So it stores its spores because it doesn't produce seeds. So if you think of us female humans, we store our future generation as eggs in our ovaries. The moss have them as spores in the capsule. Mosses are made up of tiny water-filled cells, and sometimes they look rib-like, and we have them to thank for that soft, plush, carpety feel of the moss. And I'm going to switch gear to show you some dried sphagnum moss that we got from New Zealand. So we use this in the lab to help when we're growing plants because these rib-like cells allow the moss to absorb up to 20 times its weight. So think of them as giant sponges that are tiny and they come together. So those rib-like structure helps it to maintain that much water and allow air to flow so the roots don't rot, and it prevents fungus and bad bacteria from going onto our roots and killing our plants. Fun fact, mosses do not have seeds or flowers like other land plants. So they have been using their spores to conquer the world for over 400 years. How amazing are these things? Who knew that a tiny forest could be so complex? Stick around for